Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just search for the Steam website. Once you search for it, simply open it. Then click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Guys, here simply sign into your account. If you don't have an account, then just scroll down. You'll see the option of create an account. So just create account on Steam. Guys, once you create the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Now simply download the Steam and install it on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. So once you download and install the Steam, open it, then just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Now once you type it, this game appear on the top, so open up this game. Now here you just scroll down, you will see the option of add to cart. So you can easily pre-purchase this game from here. This game is coming on November 19, 2024, but you can pre-purchase this game and also the other versions of this game. Click on the add to cart option, then click on the view my cart option. Now just click on the continue to payment option. Now guys, here simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to your library of Steam. Just go to the library of Steam, then just on the left hand side, just find this Microsoft Simulator game, then just click on that, click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.